I don't have a buy or sell signal and price action is moving in a certain lengths and amounts, I don't want to just jump into something right away. So if you guys are new to this channel, or if you've just been following me for a little while, I want you guys to head over to My Future Success. And this is a lifetime access. You guys never pay any monthly service fees. This is actually the fourth version of these metrics. So every time I do an upgrade to make this better and better, I give it to everyone completely for free. You guys never have to pay for any upgrades ever. Because the way I look at this, guys, is every upgrade, I'm helping myself become a better trader. You know, my mentor who makes a crazy amount of money, I can't even tell you how much, has absolutely inspired me to the whole giving back. And it's absolutely incredible. I'll go and update this for you guys here. 1829 was the last time I did this. Let's go and see if there's any more people that have joined just in the meantime. 1883. So quite a few people here. Guys, remember, you get 50% off all one-on-one trainings. I have 3 more one-on-one trainings today, and I'm so excited to meet some brand new people to get them on the journey with me. 82 ratings over here, 95% 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at some of these reviews real quick. I have failed prop firm challenges over and over, ready to give it up on trading. Taking one last shot with Justin, and my daily winnings have been very profitable and consistent. I can see a bright trading future ahead. Thank you. No, thank you. Honestly, hello, Justin. Just want to let you know that I was able to pass 2 trading combines with the help of your metrics. Thank you so much for all you do. God bless. Austin, congratulations and shout out to you, man, to be able to pass a couple prop firm accounts using these metrics. That is exactly what I want to do here. You guys, I want to be the person to educate and literally root on every single one of the individuals that I meet. Now, you guys, you are going to get access to a Discord. Of course, that is completely free as well. I don't charge anything for that, to just chat with other members too. And it's there to be able to just educate as much as possible. But I go on here live almost every single morning, showing my own personal accounts and the trades that I'm personally taking as educational purposes, so you can follow these metrics to a T. And at the end of the day, why are we all here? We want to make some extra money. You know, that is the name of the game. I'm looking at this real quick, you guys. See how this is a 20-point gap right here? These candles are not engulfing 20 points. So if I were to go back here and go over to 1 minute time frame, let's take a look here. At this point, now that candles have gone to that, this is where I would potentially want to be looking at going for a 1 minute time frame and a sell or buy if we end up getting this. Now, we have to adjust this, right? So if we're on the 1 minute time frame, we want to adjust this to 20 instead of 40. And this will adjust our take profit targets. So sell signal, and then it looks like target might have just been hit on here. But I'm going to wait for another signal to be populated, since we're getting a little bit of consolidation here, and see if that's an area that we can actually take out. If you guys go a little bit further left, here's another buy signal here. Here's our entry and then take profit. A massive run up so far this morning. Gosh, if anyone is doing my one-on-one trainings, here's another sell signal, another profit hit here as well. You guys take a look at this. In my one-on-one trainings, I'll give you a little sneak peek, a little extra added education if you're still watching this video. You can actually technically hold these trades. Oh, you know what, you guys? We're getting a buy signal illuminated right now. Let's look at this. We have 42 seconds left. Here on the 1 minute time frame, I need to go ahead and adjust this. Let's do it together. Let's go over to Tradeovate. I need to adjust this to 20 because that is going to be on the 1 minute time frame, going for 5 points. And over here, what is this? This is set to 20. So how many seconds left? 27 seconds. At the end of this candle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter into this immediately when this counts down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go over here by the market here live with you guys and see exactly how this pans out this morning. As we have 10 seconds left here, let's do this together.